Article 15 of the Indian Constitution, which was established in 1949. Indian Constitution prohibits the discrimination of Indians on the basis of caste, religion, race, sex, place of birth. Like this provision established in Article 15(1) of the Indian Constitution. Article 15(2) of the Indian Constitution says it elaborates the Article 15(1) that no Indian citizen can be denied access to shops, public restaurants, hotels, places of public entertainment. No citizen shall be subjected to any disability or liability, restrictions or conditions with the use of wells, tanks, bathing gourds and roads in any public places. Resorts maintained wholly or partly out of the state funds dedicated to the use of the public life, general life. Article 15(3) and 4 says like this. First of all, we see Article 15(3). Here cannot be used as any argument to make special provisions for women and children or any other backward class. After that, Article 15(4) says nothing in this article or in clause 2 of Article 24 shall prevent the state from making any special provisions for the advancement of socially and educationally backward classes, for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Like this way, Article 15(4) says in Indian Constitution. Against the STs and SCs and backward classes also, state government would not provide any kind of provisions against them. Here in Article 15(5), it is introduced in 2018 by the central government. Here 10% reservation in colleges and universities for economically weaker sections. Nothing in this article or in subclass G of class 1 of Article 29. Article 19 shall prevent the state from making any provision by law for the advancement of any socially or educationally backward classes of citizens, SCs and STs. For such special provisions related to admissions in educational institutions, whether it is private educational institutions, public educational institutions, aided educational institutions, everywhere. Class G, subclass G of class 1, article 19 or class 2 of article 29 shall prevent the state from making some provisions. Such kind of provisions are first one, any special provisions for the advancement of any economically and socially backward classes of citizens, that classes mentioned in class 4 and class 5. Such kind of a provision established in article 15(5) to make a reservation in aided private and government colleges and institutions and universities also. Thank you.